I was sent this robotic pool cleaner, and let's get it charged up, and I'm going to show you a couple components before I put it in the pool and we put it to the test. Here on the underside, I'm just adding the brushes right now. So it comes with 2 of these. When you hear that click, you know you did it properly. This also comes with a pool float and a nice long string. I've attached that there. Took this part off. There's a little charging bolt on it. You're gonna keep that on when it goes into the water. Otherwise, you'll take it off to charge it. And then here is the charging cord that it comes with. Just put that in and it will light up. If it's red, that means you need to charge it. If it's green, that means it's fully charged. So this one is ready to go, which is exciting. So we'll take that off and we'll get it in the water. Also comes with a little hook that you can use to pull it out of the water. You'll just add this to a telescoping pole if you want to use this. We're outside and ready to drop it into the pool. I like that it has this handle. It is heavy, but it's not too heavy. And before you put it into the pool, I do want to just let you know our pool is professionally maintained by a professional pool cleaning company. So it's not exceptionally dirty, but I did give it a couple of days where leaves and stuff have collected. So hopefully it picks up a few things. Submerge it, and you want to do that until all the bubbles are done. Once that's done, so no more bubbles, I will flip it to the on position here. And there we go. Now it's in the on position. I'm going to go ahead, lift it without the bubbles going too high, and then I'm going to gently release it down to the bottom because we don't want it to land upside down. All right, it is landed. The float's there. The pool feels incredibly refreshing, but I'm gonna get out now and let it do its thing and we'll watch its progress. You get 130 minutes of run time, which is awesome, but I can kind of tell he's having a hard time getting out of our deep end. Okay, finally, I moved it farther over. Now it's on a mission. This is what I want to see. So if you have a pool where it has a really big slope or things like that on the bottom where it could kind of get stuck, it might not work as well. If your pool is pretty flat, this will be great. If not, you may want a different model. When you are all done, this has the DirtLock technique, which means that the water will drain out, leaving all the debris and dirt inside. So that's nice. Let it kind of drain, and let's see what we got. You pull from here on either side to get the top off. Let's see what it collected. All right, not bad. So it got out some stuff that was down at the bottom, which is great.